Good evening, everyone. Welcome to closing comments here for June 24th. Let's jump right into our charts and see what happened in the market today. First up, we got August live cattle on the board. We did see a pretty uneventful day here for this live cattle market. This August contract just hanging steady here right around this prior day's range. We continue to see these live cattle prices balancing out here as we do see these back months hanging steady here in about a 5-day range. This August contract has been the weakest as it has slid lower recently, but not losing much ground. Just pulling back down here towards 246. We do have continued support down here in this 43 to 45 area if we need it. If the bulls are able to offer some support here into tomorrow's session and get some bids rolling above today's high at 248, we should see this thing make another run up there towards 250. Any sort of bids above 250 should kick this thing right up there into those all-time highs and see pretty smooth sailing to the upside here. Get this cattle market moving higher. At the moment, the uptrend still remains intact. The bulls are in charge here. Any sort of dips will be bought up. We should see them as good buying opportunities, but this market's just hanging steady here. Like in these mid 240s to 250 area, this market seems pretty comfortable in the area at the moment. Look for the bulls to keep on putting some pressure up on there, and we should see this market continue to grind higher here into the summer. Next up, feeders bouncing back here today. This August feeder contract seeing some nice gains, rallying back up there, putting in some new weekly highs right up there above 375 at one point. This market making a nice close back above these prior day highs, continuing to see good strength up there into the 370s. We are not too far from those all-time highs, so this feeder market continues to show good strength even out here into these back months. We should see pretty smooth sailing to the upside at the moment. The bulls are in charge here, and we should see continued upside here for this feeder market as well. Next up, we got our July corn futures on the board. This corn market continues to lose some ground here today. Prices slipping down there into some new contract lows and already seeing some here in the evening session as well down here at 403 3/4. At the moment, not a whole lot to be excited about for this corn market. Wouldn't be surprised to see this thing stay right here between about 4 and 420. But at the moment, looking like this market's going to keep on bleeding lower. The sellers are in control, and we should see them continue to grind this market down into the sub $4 area. Look for the sellers to keep on pushing these corn prices lower, and we should see this thing just keep on bleeding down there into that $4 area and potentially down into the $3 range. Next up, crude prices losing some ground here today, getting a nice push down there towards 70 bucks, and so far here in the evening already trading down into the 60s. We continue to see this market chew through all this leftover demand at the moment, not really seeing much pushback from those buyers at the moment. We should see this thing keep on pushing down here to this final target here at 66.5. Wouldn't be surprised to see this thing kind of come down here and test the mid 60s. Before getting a little bit of a bounce, but this market's still in a good downtrend. Tory, the sellers are in control. Any sort of rallies will be sold into, but we should see these crude prices just keep on drifting lower here. And next up, our equity markets churning around here today. Each of our indexes kind of seeing some mixed results. The Dow was stronger early before losing some ground late, while we did see this NASDAQ and the S&P bounce back late today. We continue to see this market try and find some support here inside these averages. This market just has seen some impressive strength here in the recent months, and we just continue to see this thing balance out here around these averages. We should see this market continue to find some more support here in the days to come. This uptrend still remains intact, and it remains a very strong environment here for stocks. Keep looking for deals out there, and we should see these equities prices keep on pushing higher here into the summer months. That's all we got for tonight. Thank you everyone for tuning in. Catch you guys tomorrow.